If you don't update your tax residency on Revolut, you are basically asking for your account to be restricted or frozen at the worst possible time. Most people ignore the notifications until they can't send a transfer or use their card at a checkout. I'm going to show you exactly where to find the hidden menu to fix this in under 60 seconds. And if you stick around until the end, I will share the one specific reason Revolut might reject your tax ID, even if it is technically correct. The reason this is such a big deal comes down to two boring acronyms called CRS and FATCA. Think of Revolut like a digital bridge between different countries. Since they are a regulated bank, they have a legal obligation to tell the government where you are actually paying taxes, so they can prevent money laundering. Usually, you are a tax resident of the place where you spend more than 6 months of the year. If you move to a new country and keep your old residency on the app, the systems flag your account for a mismatch, and that is when the headaches start. To get this sorted, grab your phone and open the Revolut app. Look at the top left corner and tap your profile icon. From there, you need to select the Personal Info section and then tap on Your Details. You will see a specific option labeled Tax Residencies. If you have moved, don't just leave the old one there. To add a new country, tap the Add button and pick your current location from the list. If you are just fixing a mistake on a country already listed, tap the small pencil icon right next to it. Now you need to enter your tax identification number, or TIN. This is the number your government uses to track your filings. If you just moved and haven't received your official tax ID yet, don't panic and close the app. There is usually an option that says, "I can't provide it now." When you select that, the app will ask for a valid reason, like being a student or waiting on government processing. Here's the pro tip to save you from a locked account. If you have dual residency, always list both. Revolut's AI often cross-references your GPS data and your spending patterns. If you only list one country, but 90% of your transactions are in another, it triggers an automatic compliance review. Keeping both updated prevents those random account freezes. Now that your taxes are set, you should check out how to set up a secondary pocket to automate your savings every time you spend.